Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup kit recommendation for summer season, and this kit is especially for oily skin type, but even if you're from dry skin or oily skin family, you can definitely try your hands on these. You just need to be sure that you use a good moisturizer for your skin, and all these products will definitely work for you as well. So let's start the video, but do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any important video. All the makeup products are from the same brand, and that is Maybelline, and I have not included any primer in this because I have not used the primer by Maybelline. That is their recent launch. So in summers I prefer to use aloe vera gel as a primer, and for winters I use Nivea Men aftershave balm. So if you want to know more about primers, I have a full separate video over that. I will leave the link in the description box so you can check it out from there. All the prices and rest of the details will be mentioned in the description box. Using all these products, you can create a daytime simple look to a nighttime party look. So I have not included any foundation for this kit because the first thing, I have not used a Maybelline foundation, and second thing, I don't want a heavy look for the summer, so I've just included this Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade light, and people with fair to medium skin tone can definitely use this. So the second product is this Fit Me compact. This is from their matte and poreless range. This is in the shade 130 buff beige. So the third product is this Maybelline Master Contour palette, which has 3 products: a contour, a blush and a highlighter, using which you can create amazing looks. You can even use them as an eyeshadow. I have showed them using as an eyeshadow in many of my videos. You can check it out. So the next product is this Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express mascara, a must-have mascara for summer seasons. So the next product is this Maybelline Blushed Nudes palette. Now this has very light and pearly shades. It has a combination of white, pink, rose gold, green. So you can create glam look to normal daytime look with this palette, and for summers you don't want to board your eyes with heavy and dark colors, so this palette is really perfect for summertime. So for lipstick, you can go with this Color Show Matte range by Maybelline. For eyebrows, this is an amazing product by Maybelline. This is their Duo Shaper, which has a pencil on one side and has a powder product on the other side. You can do it both ways. So for eyeliner, you can use this Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, which is a smudge proof, waterproof, everything proof product, and for summers this is the best eyeliner I could find. So these were the products that I wanted to share with you guys. If you like this video, then do share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can also connect with me on my Instagram and Facebook. The link will be in the description box. So till my next video, take care and bye bye.